Hi guys, in this video I want to explain one of the main tendencies of futures open, but not in stocks, in Bitcoin, because we know that sure, Bitcoin is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but we get the best moves and the best volatility when the other markets are open. So for example, even if Bitcoin is open during the weekend, most of the time it's very slow. Nothing happens most of the times. Sometimes, we get good moves, but very often, it ranges. It doesn't do anything basically for 2 days. I want to show you a move from last night, which was around midnight my time, which is Italy time, GMT +2, which is basically around futures open. And I want to show you one of the main tendencies of this particular time that happens only once a week, basically. First of all, let's take a look at the chart on a daily time frame. We can see that we are in an uptrend from around 15.5K. We don't really care about that in this particular situation because we are looking for a more short-term trade. We're not looking for swing trading at the moment. But I want to explain to you why I think the context is bearish in the short term, bearish in order to take these lows. That's what I think will happen, most likely. So we got, in the last 2 or 3 weeks, we got this move right here that could have been a market structure change. It could have been a higher low here for a higher high and a more upside, but it didn't come. So I was expecting for this high to be taken in order to see how the market would have reacted. After we took it, we just hung out here for a while, and eventually we took this daily high. This was a daily high, and we took a weekly open. Not this week, last week, weekly open. That time is very important. Around futures open, weekly open, very important time because it can dictate how the week is going to be. Not always, of course, it depends on the context. But, in this situation, we had a bearish week. And basically, after we put this higher high, it turned out to be a fake out because basically changed market structure. Like I said, it took this daily high and then it dropped and it re-entered this piece of consolidation, this range, this range that we formed the previous week. And of course, that's not bullish at all. In order for this move to be bullish, you want to see a clear breakout. You want to see a breakout that just keeps going up. You don't want this move to retest previous consolidation. That's bearish, You want to see a clear breakout like here. Look at this. Boom. We make a higher high here. We don't come back down to retest the previous range because there will be a fake out, there will be bearish. Instead, we keep going up and we clearly, change market structure. See? Lower, higher low, market structure change, and then we go up. And here we didn't see the same thing. So in my opinion, this is a 3-leg move, which is basically a bearish correction for more downside to take these lows right here. And then we go from here. I don't know what's going to happen here. We either, go up or break down. I have no idea. We will see. I don't have, I can't predict the future. And this is the daily time frame. I want to show you how I traded the futures open yesterday night because I think that was pretty standard based on its tendencies. Let's go on the 1 hour. So we got this, we got this pump right here on Friday night, daily open, around 2 a.m. Friday night. We took this low and this daily low, two daily lows, a daily open, and then we changed momentum, went from bearish to bullish for a couple days, the weekend included, because here on Friday also very slow usually. So this is weekend price action basically. It's a range, as you can see. And then yesterday night at midnight 15, we took the previous day high, which was Saturday high, and we took this high also. There was probably Thursday high, can't remember. And there was a level I was looking for, because I know that, because I said that this move, this entire move was a fake out, I am favoring shorts. So I want to look for shorts. So I can also look for longs here and there, but because the context is, my opinion, is bearish, I would rather short to here, or at least to here, and go from there. And because of this 3-leg move, corrected 3-leg move, I was looking for a short. So my favorite places were here, or this support resistance flip, or this entire order block, or this high. Did I really want a Bitcoin to take this high as well? Because the contest would have been weird, because it would have been another higher high. So in the case, I could have been wrong, about my bearish, short-term bearish perspective. And the first place where I wanted to short gave a nice rejection that we ended up breaking market structure right here. Let's go on the 30 minutes. So see the time, 0000. The futures open basically around there. We took the high as I expected, because futures open / weekly open, they're very close to each other. It's like 2 hours, 3 hours maybe apart. They like to clean up all highs or all lows and go on the opposite direction. And I've seen it so many times that at this point, I wasn't sure that this was going to happen, but I was ready to trade it. And they traded when? Now when I saw the move down, I have a very specific strategy when I trade. I don't want to trade based on common sense. I want to trade based on particular places. I want to trade based on what happens in the chart exactly, so I can be consistent every time. It's not that I just listen to my common sense and one time I trade in a way and another time in another way. No, I want to be consistent. I want to trade in the same exact way. And usually I enter when we break market structure. And the market structure depends on the time frame. Sometimes the 15 minutes, sometimes the 30 minutes, sometimes the 1 hour, sometimes the 5 minutes as well. I use the 5 minutes very often. In these situations, we can see that the lows are, these ones. Low, 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 low. And I usually enter after we break the first low, which is this. So I enter here and stop loss the high. That's my entry. Where do I take profit? The first place I'm gonna consider taking profit is here. I'm not gonna automatically take profit here, because I think it's possible that we get a follow through. I'm not saying it's likely, I don't know. We're not there yet, but I think it's possible. So when we get there here in New York session, because now we are in New York session basically, I'm gonna monitor price action, and possibly I can also close the trade because this was a good move. So yeah, this was basically my thought process. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I explained myself decently well. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And thank you for watching.